Welcome to BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at the verb. The verb is the most important word in any sentence. Okay? It's often called an action or doing word. So some verbs will be things like to run or to jump, to eat, to sleep. They are all action words. Notice I use to, that's the infinitive, to do something. Today I want to pay particular attention to one English verb that most of us tend to ignore. It's the verb to be. The verb to be means to exist, to be alive. Okay? And often in English, it's a very small verb that's very important. It's sometimes the main verb in a sentence, sometimes it's a helping verb, but it's very important. In Creole, we tend to leave this verb out a lot. Let's see what are the different verbs that comes from the verb to be. Well, there's am, there's is, there's are, there's was, there's were, there is being, there's been. So if we take a look at it, very important verbs. They're very small, just 2 letters, sometimes 3, sometimes more. But in Creole, we tend to leave it out because Creole makes the language compact. So if I say, I am tired, or I am sick in English language, in Creole, we make it smaller, I sick, I tired. It's not standard English. He is my friend. He is my brother. They are walking to school. He was going to the cinema last night. We were going to the cinema yesterday. He is being foolish. She has been there and back. These are very important verbs in the English language, and unlike these typical action verbs, to run, to jump, to eat, to sleep, to be is very tiny, and sometimes we tend to ignore it. Please check your workbook and take a look at how the verb to be is used and compare to Creole. It's very important. Thank you for choosing PT at BetterGradesFast.com, and I'll see you soon.